Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a poll system. I've noticed that there's a lot of poll systems that seem to only have two options, which is basic, boring, and I don't really know why they do that. So we're going to step it up a notch, and you're going to be able to do as many as you possibly could ever want to do, period, in your existence. So we're going to create a command. We're going to do the normal. We're going to import / command builder and permissions bit field. So let's go ahead and get that importing. I'm just getting over being sick, so yeah, fun times. There we go. All right, so since that's done, now we're going to go ahead. Let's do our module export. Here we're just going to do the normal. Now we're going to set name. We're going to call this one poll. Just give it, just a basic name it whatever you want. And then we're just going to slap in a description. This is where it's going to get really fun. So we're going to start adding in our options. This one, we're going to call it question, just because, you want to know what you're polling against. And I'm going to let Copilot take over here just a little bit because it's going to be extremely repetitive to me. When you get to the end of this, you could pause and view. I'm just going to make 10 options here, or maybe less. I might just do less. You could just add more. Let's see. Actually, let's go ahead. We're going to change it. We're going to do 10 because I do offer the source bin code from the video for boosters and paid subscribers. So we're just going to slap this in here really quick. There we go. Let's adjust the screen a little bit. There we go. And we're going to do our set default member permissions again. We will be only using the if statement for the check. Yeah, I'm considering that basic and old news. So you won't see me using that anymore in my videos. This is going to be mainly what I'm using. So yeah. So let's actually get into the command itself. So we're going to pull all of the options right now. So there's the question, and now we're going to pull all the options. Copilot is going to do a lot of the legwork here because this whole command could be extremely simple, but we're adding in 10 options. So here we're just going to grab the emojis that it's going to react to. If you want to do this as a button, you can do it on your own. I'm doing it with emojis. And we're going to set the description as basically a blank string. So it's just the declaration, basically. We could declare it as just let description. I'm just doing it as this. Either or works. And so now we're going to open it up on a for loop. Basically what this for loop is doing is it's getting every option that you actually used, and it's going to push it. So you'll see it. You'll see it here in just a moment. There we go. So we're setting up the embed here. And the embed's looking, yeah, it's looking good. Okay, we're going to do the reply. There we go. And so this is going to be the last loop. I'm not really going too much into depth on what the code does. This is just way too simple of a command for me to stop the video and, go through it and explain loops and stuff. So we are going to fix a couple of these errors. Oh, okay, yeah. Typo. Gotta love typos, especially when you're coding off of an iPhone screen. Horrible. Okay, this looks horrible too. We're going to format this really quick just so it looks nice and pretty. There we go. Look at that. Much better. All right, so now we're going to have to run the register command as this is a new command. So we're going to go ahead, node register, and you can see there's no errors. So that's a good sign. Now we're going to do the node period. We're going to get it started right when it says ready. We're going to hop over into Discord and let's go. So we're going to run the command. We're just going to run a simple poll first just to verify that it's working. So /poll, and we're going to set up just a random question. Yeah, we're going to do who's the best YouTube creator. And obviously I'm going to put me as an option. You know, got to do it. And then I'm just going to put other people, you know, who knows. And as you can see, it has reacted with both emojis. It registered that it was only 2 of the options used. So now we're going to go ahead and go into this and let's go ahead and make it all 10 just to verify that it's going to pull every one of them. The only reason I'm going to be doing the 10 is just for the verification on video, just to make sure that it is actually looping through and grabbing everything versus looping and just getting a couple. Okay, we're almost done here. I'm just making these random option names just so you guys can get the gist of how it works. And look at that. So far, so good. Oh, look at that. The reactions. Oof. Okay, and that's it. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to join the Discord. You can become a server booster or a subscriber to get the source code to this video. And I will see you on my next video.